I'm Tom Dickinson.
All right.
As a young boy, I was diagnosed on the autism spectrum disorder and told that I would not accomplish a lot. But I never let that stop me because I used two words: watch me. I'm a professional chef. I'm also a fully credentialed school teacher. And I'm a two-time cookbook author. So join me as we meet some really interesting people, cook some amazing food, and prove that just because you have a diagnosis doesn't mean you can't accomplish great things. So what are you guys waiting for?
So this is our
It's time to watch me cook.
That we made by Grant.
I love being a chef. It's the greatest thing that ever happened to me. This career has given me a means to take care of my wife, a means to have a creative outlet, and it's given me the greatest job in the world as a teacher. But sooner or later, this profession, it takes its toll on your body. And I hate to say it, but it's finally taking its toll on mine. Over the last few years, I've developed plantar fasciitis in both of my feet. I have bone spurs in both of my feet and calcified deposits on both of my heels. Every time I walk, it feels like I'm walking on dull knives. The doctor said one thing: I need surgery and I'll be out for 3 months. I take my roles as a teacher and a chef seriously, but I could say screw it and just work through the pain and just be the tough guy. But I know that the one thing that my students need more than anything else is they need their teacher at 100%. So I'm going to go through with it. I'm getting the surgery. I have bulges the size of golf balls on the backs of my heels. And I've had them there for years, and they're not getting any better. So the doctor said it's time to take them out. It's Tuesday night, and my adult school class is going to be in session in a few hours. So as I take these last few steps towards the restaurant for my last class of them tonight, it just has me thinking about things. I'm going to go get things ready for my students, and as I walk through these doors and I'm going into the restaurant and I'm getting ready to get stuff done, the only thing I'm thinking about is I need to do this for my wife. I need to do this for my own personal health. I need to do this for my students, because if I can't be 100%, then I won't be 100% for them, and they deserve that. With me as their educator and their mentor, they need me, and I need to be there for them. So that's one of the reasons why, as I walk through my restaurant and look at this place, I need to do this for myself as well.
This right here, this restaurant, is my life's work. And if I don't do this surgery now, if I put it off again and again, and I majorly tear my Achilles tendon, my career's over. I won't be able to be on my feet. I won't be able to cook. I won't be able to do what I can. And I have to have this place. This is an extension of myself. I picked out all the equipment. I helped design this kitchen. I can't give it up. I'm gonna get these surgeries done, and I'm gonna be 100% for my kids. So I decided to make myself something to eat before my class comes in tonight, and my adult school class is coming in tonight, and this is my last night with them for the semester. We were supposed to have 2.5 more weeks to go, and I had to cut it short. I feel bad because they pay good money to take this class, and I'm cutting it short for them. I'm feeling kind of selfish, actually, but I don't know. Sometimes I think I have to be selfish, or else I'm gonna destroy myself, and I don't want to do that. So I talk to them, and they all understand, and I talk to my bosses, they all understand. So we're gonna have a good time tonight, and tomorrow's Wednesday, last day with my high school kids, and Thursday I go out for surgery. So we shall see what happens.
There are great advantages to having a full working commercial pizza oven inside your classroom. So I'm throwing some seasoned breadcrumbs down, getting some dough. I don't like cornmeal, don't like to use it. Decided to make myself a small pepperoni pizza, just something to eat in my stomach before my adult school class starts. Tonight we're supposed to do a little potluck, but I'm not sure if people are going to remember. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to throw this pizza in my oven and I'm going to let it cook. And it should take about 5 minutes. It's going to be great. So as I wait for my pizza's done. I open it up. It's nice and bubbly, nice and brown. Yeah, definite advantages of having a pizza oven in your kitchen.
Has a big bubble in it. Really don't care. I made it for me. I didn't make it for anybody else. I think I'm gonna eat something and get ready for class.
Classes began, and one of my students decided to make pizza as well, and we're just having fun here, and everybody's having a great time, so let's just get to it. And now class is ending, and everybody's getting ready for cleanup. Everybody's ready to get out of here. This is the sad part for me. I'm really going to miss my adult school class, but I'll see them in January for culinary too. But it has been a great semester, so now it's time to wrap up and go home. I just finished up with my high school class, and I'm getting things closed down for the rest of this semester. Now it's real. Time to get it done.
It's my last day of the semester. I'm out on leave, and surgery is scheduled for 9:15 tomorrow. I gotta be at the hospital by 6. I gotta be up and do that drink by 4, and waiting for the surgery 5 years. It's time. Let's get it done. Good morning. It's 4 a.m. It's surgery day, and we're just gonna sleep for another hour. And I'm gonna get dressed, and I gotta drink my carbohydrate drink. So I can't eat anything until this thing is done. I'm gonna be hungry today, but it's time for this surgery. Let's do it.
It's about 5:30 in the morning, and Nora and I are heading over to the Kaiser Permanente Paleo Medical Center, where Dr. Steven Sellenreich is going to perform the procedure on my right foot, which will put me out of action for about 3 months. I'm here in the prep area waiting for the doctors and nurses to come and see me, and I'm getting a little nervous, but I'm alright. I'm just ready to get this over with and get this done. So I'm here, I'm waiting to get checked in. Doctor will be with me shortly. Hope everything goes okay. I know, not one of my best video clips, but when in Rome. Hey.
Hi.
And of course my lovely wife Nora is here. So when the docs get here, let's do this. I could spend the next 3 months on crutches, but you know what? It's all good because I'll be 100% by the time I'm done.
I got you, babe.
Thank you. So one of the nurses just came over, and I'm next. I'm going to be heading into surgery in a few minutes, so let's do this thing.
Ready? Alright, I'm recording now. Say something.
See you later. Let's do this.
Oops, sorry. Okay, see you later. I don't think he'll mind me videoing, but they just sent me a text message saying he's out of surgery and he's heading to recovery right now. So in a little bit, I'll go back there when they allow me to, and I will give the phone back to him so he can give you guys an update.
Alright, surgery's done. It was a success, and I have titanium clamps in my foot for the rest of my life.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
He told me you
So, and my voice is a little hoarse from the breathing tube. So it was a success. Go be awesome, guys. I'm gonna go rest.